Hi everyone and welcome to Capri. Capri is probably one of the most beautiful islands in the world if we considering the historical heritage, the beaches and the renowned resorts. Populated by Greeks and Romans, its name comes from the Latin capre, due to the goats that hopped on the slopes. Although the island has always been linked to the myth of the sirens, Augustus made it his personal domain. The three Faraglioni are the icon of Capri and are so called because, in the past, they were used as lighthouses by lighting fires on the peaks. In addition to the historic center, its parks and beautiful paths, Capri offers dream beaches. Don't miss Via Krupp, the road in the rock. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.